This is Retirement News Online. As medical advancements extend life expectancies, many retirees are facing a new financial concern. It's called longevity risk. This refers to the possibility of outliving your retirement savings, a situation that can have significant consequences for your financial stability later in life. Now, while this risk isn't anything new, it's become more prevalent as life expectancies have increased, making it essential for individuals to understand and plan for it. Joining me is Bill Rohac with NLS Insurance in Las Vegas, Nevada. Bill, welcome back. How do you help your clients manage longevity risk?
Scott, first of all, thank you so much for having me back. I really enjoy the time we spent and the conversations we have. When it comes to longevity, there's one product out there that you can ensure you're not going to outlive your money, and that's through an annuity. Many people don't realize there's a lot of different options you can do when you annuitize or start taking cash from your annuity. And one of them is that you can do it for your entire life. And if you're worried about running out of money, that solves your concern.
You know, normally when interest rates are really high, that's usually bad for everything. But it's bad if you're trying to buy a house or refinance something or finance anything. But in this case, it's actually good if you're thinking about certain kinds of annuities. Can you talk about how they can help and what's unusual about this situation right now?
Well, interest rates going up, like you said, if you're trying to go out and buy a car or buy a mortgage, you're going to end up paying more for it. But I believe we're probably in the best annuity market we've been in the last 30 years. So when interest rates go up with annuities or in the market with loans, it means that you're going to get more money, more guaranteed money that's available to you for your retirement. So that's just going to put you in a better position when it comes to retirement. And the greatest thing about annuities, you're minimizing risk. And you know, if rates come down and you're in a guaranteed product, well, your rate's not going to come down. You're going to be right where you need to be, and you're going to get the maximum rate of return on your money with that.
Now let's move to sequence of returns risk, which is the idea that timing plays an important part when someone is getting ready to take income. For example, if you begin your retirement and then start taking income in a down market, it can dramatically affect negatively your chance of making it through retirement without running out of money, as opposed to someone else with the same assets, the same investments, but actually starting to take income when the market is booming. So let's talk about how an annuity can help really in this particular situation.
Fixed indexed annuities provide security and consistency. And that's what everybody's looking for, especially when it comes to retirement income, making sure that your money stays coming in at a consistent basis in the same amount. And I'm really not aware of any other products got out there that provides the security and the consistency in a changing market that a fixed index annuity does.
Now, when considering the purchase of an annuity, what are the important considerations here? What kinds of questions should consumers be asking?
Well, I don't think it really comes down to, Scott, the questions they should be asking. It's the questions that the advisor should be asking them, because it's what the client wants, what's important. What is their goals? What is their dreams? What is their objectives? It's about them. It's not about me or any other advisor. It's about the client. So once the client can express what their goals are, what their objectives are, what their dreams are, then the professional can go to work and they can try to identify the best product that suits their goals, their dreams, and their objectives.
My guest has been Bill Rohac with NLS Insurance, and he practices in Las Vegas, Nevada, and this is Retirement News Online.